Folks, the stock market crash just accelerated. Yes, it did. It accelerated, and it has accelerated bad since I did the video earlier tonight about maybe 5-6 hours ago. I posted a video about futures were tanking. It got a lot worse, okay? First off, we got to address the elephant in the room. Who else is doing videos at 1 a.m. in a robe, okay? Like, no one else has this level of dedication, just flat out. Like, everybody can post a bunch of videos during the day, but at 1:14 a.m. in a robe, like, come on, man. There's just levels to this stuff, okay? And there's levels to the stock market stuff, and it's leveling down right now. Russell 2000, guys, it's a real possibility that the Russell could finish down this year. A real possibility, which is just crazy to think when you think about how great of a year the Nasdaq's had, S&P 500. It has just been awful, but things could definitely, fall for the large caps here, okay? So obviously, the Russell's now down 2.6% plus. NASDAQ now down 1.6%. S&P's now down 1.6%. Dow's now down 552 points. Earlier, the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ were not down that much. Just the Russell was down a lot. Now, everything's starting to tank left and right here. If we go ahead and we just kind of look at some, where things are trading at so far, and this could get a lot worse for these stocks, because keep in mind when the whole market falls like that, a lot of times it pulls these stocks way worse into the open, I've always found. Okay, so AMC's down 4% plus, Wish is down over 3%, Lemonade's down 2.7%, Oatly's down 1%, probably be down. I mean, if the market's down this much, Oatly's going to be down a lot more than 1% tomorrow. I would almost guarantee that. The Chef's down almost 4%, Honest is down 1%, Smile Direct Club's down over 2%, Teladoc's over 2% down. That one, if this is the type of day we're going to have, never mind if it gets worse, Teladoc will be down way more than that. That would be back at a 92, 93 level. Fastly's down 1.5%. GameStop's down 4.5% there. Palantir's down over 3%. Should be back in the 18 range, assuming everything kind of holds up here. Corsair's down 1.4% there. That one's just one of those that it seems like almost everybody's sold that wanted to sell, so it's hard to get. Some of these stocks is going to be hard to get them down much more, even with big market falls, just for the mere fact that they're already down so dang much, okay? Walgreens not making much of a downward move there. Tesla down 2.7%. Dropbox down about 1%. Not a big mover for Dropbox. Shopify, if this holds true, Shopify will be down way more than that tomorrow. Beyond Meat will be down likely way more than that tomorrow if this holds. Facebook down about 2% as of right now. Wynn down about 2.6% as of right now. As far as big tech goes, Amazon down almost 2%. Tesla down almost 3%. Microsoft down about 2%. AMD down over 3%, Apple down over 2%, Google down 1.4%, Nvidia down 4%. Big tech's going to be really interesting to watch in the month of January, in my opinion, because I think there's a lot of people with a lot of profits that are just waiting literally to January, and they're like, please, big tech, stay up. Just stay up. And I've even thought about this with Tesla. I was really hoping Tesla would hold, $1,000 plus, because I wanted to hopefully cash a little bit of Tesla shares, not a lot, just a little bit of my shares, and but I didn't want to obviously do it this month, right? I wanted to wait till January so I could play with that money in between now and the next tax season of 2023, right? But yeah, needless to say, all these are starting to fall even, and I think they could even accelerate their falls into January when it comes to big tech here. And so it's it's madness out there, and these markets intrigue me. That's all I can say about this. These markets intrigue me. They wake me up, and they get me a little excited, right? Not just because there's deals in the market, but I mean, it's interesting seeing all the drama. It's a lot of drama. It's a lot of, disturbing the peace. Let's call it that. A lot of disturbing the peace, like I do in my garage when I record videos at 1:15 a.m. But it's just a lot of madness. Everybody worrying about a lot of things. And, as far as what the reasoning will be behind this drop, what's going on right now, could be Omicron, okay? Rona's always out there. Could be the BBB bill not getting passed. That could be why the drop. They'll throw it on something tomorrow. I can promise you that. No one really knows for sure, but it'll be thrown on something tomorrow, if not multiple things tomorrow. And obviously we'll cover that and we'll see kind of what ends up happening here. But it's getting worse, guys. It's getting worse. Okay, that's all I'll say about that. And remember, like I said, if you didn't get to watch my other videos, in December 2018, when we had a really, really rough market did not start going up until December 26th. That's something very important to keep in mind. And you could easily get more tax loss harvesting going into the end of this year. Plus, you got a bunch of worries on top of that. And it's December 20th right now, right? So we still got some time here that you got to understand. We could have a rough market and tough sledding, as they say, okay? Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're not already, because you just never know when I'm going to drop a video. Have those notifications on, because you never know. I could release a video at 10 a.m., could release a video at 1 a.m. You just never know. Much love as always, guys. Hope you enjoyed this and have a great day. And